This is Megan Healy's studio, and I'm Megan. If you wanted to practice without actually practicing any of the letter forms, here is what a lot of people suggest and what I recommend. Practice your straight lines. And the other thing that you could practice are your ovals, your almond shapes. You can do them next to each other. I've seen some people just go and make lots of loops, which is also fine. At a later point, you might want to even make bigger ones. But the idea is that you want your hand to become used to this. All right? This is a good way to practice.